Okay, the next mitzvah in this week's Parsha is the mitzvah to love converts. The mitzvah of Ahavas Gerim, to love converts. So you realize when you love a convert, you're being Mekayim at least two mitzvahs. Because the convert is a Jew, right? So you're Mekayim v'hafta l're'echa kamocha. Any Jew that you love, that's a mitzvah. And you have a second mitzvah of loving a ger, a convert. Okay? Now, the Torah says it in a positive way. V'ahavta as a ger. You should love the ger. So the Chinuch says, the mitzvah is not really just showing, smiling and loving. The point is not to do anything that would give pain to a convert. So what's the takeaway message? If you have to pain somebody, pick a person that was born Jewish. Don't pick on a convert. Okay. Now, obviously there's a prohibition to harm and shouldn't harm anyone. But the Torah is extremely makpid, extremely careful in the covet that one should bestow upon a convert. Why? Converts are already in a situation, they already feel like an outsider, the newcomer. They feel very inferior.
The new boy in
inferior.
School.
What?
I said the new boy in school.
Yeah. So funny. I was just going to use that example. Good. It's a special mitzvah to be nice to the new one, the one that's the transfer students. Okay. So not only should you not be painful to him, you should go out of your way to show him good. Now, Sefer Chinuch says what I said before. You have two mitzvahs. So when you love a ger, and when you make sure not to show any harm to a ger, a convert, two mitzvahs. The mitzvah
and a ger.
Right, and a ger. Special mitzvah because this person is a convert. Now it applies to a woman also. Gerit, same thing. Mitzvah of Ahavas Gerim. So men have to love male and female Gerim, and a woman has the mitzvah of Ahavas Gerim, both to Gerim and to a Geris. Okay, so that is the mitzvah, and then at the end he says that, like I said before, it applies to male and females. Just want to clarify, meaning both to a male ger and a female ger. They both have the status of gerim, that they both have to be loved and not show any pain. And also, that when it says that applies to men and women, it means not the recipient, but the giver of the love applies to a male and female. So a woman's also obligated to show love and favoritism to a ger. Okay. The next mitzvah is the mitzvah of Yiras Hashem, fearing God. Although, I think last year we did. Remember last year?
Which one?
Last week?
5 of them.
Last week we had 5 shiur last week. Kol hakavod. Last week we had a beautiful shiur, if I must say so myself, about the mitzvah of Yiras Hashem. Remember? Eikev, Hashem alakecha tira the rabbis tamir chachamim.
Oh yeah, beautiful that question.
So although it wasn't last week's parsha, it was repeated again in this week's parsha. As Hashem alakecha tira, the mitzvah of fearing Hashem. So that it's not just a nice concept, a good idea in the Musar books. No, it's actually a mitzvah in the Torah. Every time you think you're about to do something, and you say, you know what, there's an Hashem out there, I'm not going to do it. You know what mitzvah you're Mekayim? Fear of Hashem, the mitzvah of Yiras Hashem. So, that's the mitzvah of Yiras Hashem. Okay, I'll talk about this a little bit more. And the Gemara learns it out from a whole drasha that what we said over here, that it's this verse of Hashem L'Kechatira, it's not just like I said before, like a good idea, just like a muster idea, a nice concept. It's actually a mitzvah from the Torah, just like any other mitzvah. Tefillin is in the Torah. Parhsas, like we had last year. I just want to clarify, the mitzvah of loving Hashem, fearing Hashem, it's not just a good idea, it's actually a Torah mitzvah. Okay, and the Sefer Chinuch says that this mitzvah applies all places. It doesn't only apply in Lakewood, or in Miami Beach, in Mismanish. Applies everywhere. Mitzvah of Yiras Hashem, you can fulfill any time and any place. And it also applies to all people, men and women. Every time a person thinks about Hashem and uses the fear of Hashem to help him do a mitzvah or to prevent him from doing a avera, he's becoming this mitzvah of Yiras Hashem. Let's be zeicher, let's merit to have Yiras Hashem with us at all times.